Y'all see it? Owner of wife and brother-in-law out there working on his air leaks, and we had some today as well. Got new fittings on there. Got rid of the plastic ones. Yeah, I know some of y'all that follow the channel probably wondering, air leaks again? Well, yeah, especially now in the wintertime, so you're chasing them until you figure them all out.
Changing a leveling valve on a Freightliner 2011 Cascadia. Just disconnect your rod like that, and all your hoses, this one, this one, this one, and then you got one under there, and then loosen up your nuts, loosen it up, and then just remove it. One valve is out. This is the new leveling valve for the Freightliner. Support numbers. There it is. Gotta put all new fittings on and install it. Putting all the new fittings on the leveling valve. Looks good. All done, guys. So you got your pin guide? It's all hooked up.
Got a lot of it chipped off. This is just a quick little, I guess you could say cover up or whatever until summertime comes around and I'm able to strip these pumpkins down all the way and paint them the way I want to paint them. Just gonna hit it with a little cheap paint. Try to cover up that rust for now until this summer, God willing. So now we're just gonna wash it off and get it ready for paint. All right, now we got it all cleaned up. Just waiting for it to dry so I can hit it with a coat of paint. First coat of paint. It's not perfect. It's definitely better than what we had when we started this little quick mini project. We could have got that right there a little better. We would have just had to chip and chisel away at it, and that is something I plan on doing in the summertime. But right now we're just kind of trying to smother the rust that we got growing on right now. So like I said, this is just like a little patch job for now. All right, there it is, y'all. Actually covered up. It's not perfect, but it's better than what we had to begin with. So, and now it's really dry to the touch. So that's the finished product there. Better than it was. It'll control that rust some now. So at least summertime where I can get around to doing the whole thing. Alright, right, now that it's dried somewhat, sure it's still tacky, but y'all see it. Yeah, guys, like I said earlier, this is just a quick little patch job till the summer. The goal is eventually paint all this stuff black. Both differential pumpkins, paint them black. Paint this outside white all the way down the rails. But that's a plan for the future. God willing, this summer coming up. So, yeah. Let's paint the pumpkins, the shaft, the inside of the rails, this here, paint all that black, the top of the rails black, and we're gonna leave these side rails doing white to match our truck. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hopefully gave somebody out there an idea, help somebody out. Help control that rust growth some. So hopefully, listen, you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's free, it don't cost you a thing. So just go on and smash both of those, like and subscribe. And, love you all, God bless you all. Till the next one, we out, boys.